16 months to 17 months. Gross motor, subscale 45, pulls a toy while walking. 2. Plastic box with a rope attached. Test and judgment criteria. 1. The examiner demonstrates how to pull a plastic box with an attached rope. 2. The examiner hands the rope to the child and asks the child to pull box by himself or herself. Pass. The child is able to walk and pull the plastic box for 2 meters. The child may walk forwards or backwards while pulling the plastic box. The plastic box may flip over. Fine motor, subscale, draws on paper without assistance. 2. Pencil and paper. Test and judgment criteria. 1. The examiner gives the child a pencil and paper. 2. Then asks the child to draw a picture on the paper with no demonstration. Pass. The child is able to draw a line on the paper. Remarks: if the child only draws a dot, he or she does not pass. Receptive language, subscale, follows 2 or 3 instructions without gestures given. 2. 1. A ball. 2. Toy car. 3. A cloth doll. Test and judgment criteria. 1. The examiner places the toys in front of the child and plays with the child. 2. The examiner asks the child to hold the doll, throw the ball, give me the car. Pass. The child is able to follow a minimum of 2 or 3 instructions without gestures provided, at least once in 3 times. Expressive language, subscale, correctly names familiar objects when asked. 2. 1. A ball. 2. A toy car. 3. A stuffed doll. Test and judgment criteria. The examiner points at a toy when the child is familiar with and asks, "What is this?" Pass. The child is able to name the object correctly or makes sounds similar to the correct name, such as a cloth doll or a doll. Personal and social, subscale, plays with 2 objects together according to their desired purposes. 2. 1. A cloth doll. 2. A comb. 3. A cup. 4. A small spoon. 5. A toothbrush. Test and judgment criteria. The examiner gives all the objects to the child and observes how they are played with. Pass. The child is able to play with at least 3 objects according to their purposes. For example, uses the spoon with the cup, combs the doll's hand.